DIY, just a quick review on the mic that I uh, disassembled on a BM 800 BM. Okay, as because I want to face my mouth on this side, so as you can see there that I posted, uh, the capsule is on the top now, and then you can see when I speak it's too loud. Okay, because before we know that this kind of microphone, all the capsule is facing on the side, right? So I will try to speak on the side if it can catch. All right. Still the volume of my voice still the same as a normal volume. So, but you can see there the uh, volume or diagram. It's not that high, right? So, okay, I will return here again. So I will speak normally and the same uh, loudness of my voice, but still uh, it's too high, right? So maybe I will speak on maybe some like 10 centimeters far. So right then if I will also 10 centimeters, nothing happens. So I need to put my mouth closer to the microphone so catch some volume. But again, 10 but nothing happens. All right, this is 10 centimeter distance, so still catching up. All right, it's not quick review, still too long. Thank you, DIY.